Today I'll show you the best OBS Studio recording settings for 2025. Let's get started. Video settings. Go to the Video tab. Set the base, canvas, resolution to 1920 by 1080 for full HD recordings. Match the output, scaled, resolution to 1920 by 1080 unless you need to downscale for smaller files or better performance. If you downscale, use the Lanczos filter for sharp, high-quality visuals. Set common FPS values to 60 FPS for smooth gameplay footage. Click Apply to save. Output settings. In Output, change output mode to Advanced for more control. Under the Recording tab, Recording Path, choose a folder with plenty of free space. Recording format, select MKV, safer than MP4 because it won't corrupt if OBS crashes. You can convert to MP for later. Encoder? Use NVIDIA or AMD if you have a newer GPU to offload work from the CPU. Otherwise, select X264 to use your CPU. Rate control, set to CQP. CQ level, around 15 for high quality. Keyframe interval, 2 seconds. Leave the other settings at default and click Apply. Audio settings. Go to Audio. Set sample rate to 48 kHz, industry standard. Channels, choose stereo. Desktop audio, set to your headphones so OBS records exactly what you hear. MIC to auxiliary audio, select your external microphone if you use one. Click Apply. Advanced settings. Under Advanced, set renderer to Direct3D 11 for stability. Color format, NV12. Color space, 709. Color range, full. Click Apply. Your OBS Studio is now optimized for crisp, smooth recordings in 2025. If this guide helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.